One is good. First throw is good. Second throw is no good. Kaso lang nakuha dito ni Liagas. Kaso napunta dito. Ano na nangyari? Ano po ang hatol? And that is jump ball. And let's follow the arrow. It is black ball. Yeah. Gonzales nagmamadali. Gonzales ngayon. 2 points by Gonzales. Condition. Nakuha ni Junto ang pasto makarandan. Wala nakuha dito ni Labana. Binigay dito kay Gonzales. Uy. Gonzales with a no-look pass to Wawa. And that is 2 points by Juntong, number 6. Our official score is 17-29. 12-point lead. Liagas. Akin na to. Liagas lumipad sa fly. Nakuha ni Ian Urrera. Bigay kayo dito. Kanino? Kay Wawa. Nakuha dito ni Labana. Pinagsama pa naman si Lawrence. Pati si Gonzales. Talagang bibilis yan. Gonzales. Nag-aaral pa ko saan. Urrera tries to 3. Wala nakuha dito ni number 5. Number 16. Number 19 to number 2. And that is 2 points by number 2. Makarandan. Eto na si Lawrence. That is good. Nakuha dito ni Makmak. Pass to Maui. Dinaan sa bilis. 2 points. Oras po natin ngayon is 30 seconds remaining. Number 15 with the ball. Number 15. 20 seconds remaining. We have 10 seconds to shoot. Labana pass to Gonzales. Umatake sa kaliwa. Reverse sa kanan. Sablay ng audio ni Maui. To Makarandan. Easy 2 points. 5 seconds remaining. And 3 seconds. 1 second. Score is 23-29. Uy, medyo lumapit na. 6-point lead na lamang po ang black team. Binigay dito kay Makarandan. No good na ako dito ni Ian. Wala na pass to Labana dito. Nagmamadali Labana dito. Right with the 2 points. Ang galing naman nun. Naka dito ni number 19. Ano ang gagawin? Tumira na lang ng dress. Wala na ako dito ni number 4. Number 4 ngayon. Naghanap ng papuntahan. Mahuli ba? Tao ba? Nakawa dito at nahulihan ni Liagas ang taas tumalon. Ito nalilipad na. Sablay. Nahuli number 4. Number 4. Pass to Labana ngayon. With a crossover pass to kanyang best friend. At kaso lang, that is traveling violation by Jan Juntong. Nakawa dito ni Maui. Pass to Jao. CJ Bautista is no good. Nakawa dito ni Lagas. And that is 2 points. May kasama pang foul ni number 6. At Jan Juntong meron ng first personal foul. First team foul. Liagas. First throw ni Liagas. That is bonus throw pala, sorry. And that is good by Liagas. Number 24. Number 24. Nagkakaroon pa masabi kay Biray with the white shirt with the tattoo. Biray pass to Labana fakes. Labana pass to Biray again. Tries to 3. No good. Urrera with a follow-up. 2 points. Nakuha ni number 19. Pass to number 2. Pass to Ison Liagas. 2 points by number 16. Narinig ko na naman. Number 24 ay it's 28-33. Lamang ko ng 5 ang black team. Jan Junto. Pass to Labana to number 18. No good. Ang taas naman tumalon nun. Favorite move. Nakawa ni Ian Urrera. Turn around jumper. That is no good. Nakawa ni Maui Juntong. Coast to coast by Maui. Lumipad. And that is 2 points by Maui Juntong. No labas to Biray. Uy, 3 na lang yung lamang ng block. Pass to John Jomel kasi. Ian with 2 points. Ian Urrera. Number 30 is, yellow team is trailing by 5. Number 16 ngayon. Pass to number 2 to 19. Number 19 naghahanap ng papasahan. Number 19 tumira ng 3. Supply Pintes. Now ni number 2. Pass to Jao. Ito na si Jao. Binigay kay Liagas with a bounce pass. With a jump shot. No good. Now ni Miray. Miray ngayon nakatalikod. Binigay kay Juntong. Wow. Kinaliwa pa. Ay, kaliwete pala yun, tol. 37-30 at medyo magana yung lamang. 7-point lead. Medyo magana yun. Number 19, binagang sa katauhan na ni number 25. Ian Orera, pass break na naman kay Juntong. Juntong! 2 points. Time out. Marandaan, binigay kay number 6. Ham-ham. Next game is Team Ham-ham versus seniors pa pala. Next game is that is 2 points. Nakawa dito. Maraming salamat nga pala kay Joe Lewis, Remy Nilayan para sa pamerienda dito at healthy pa. Thank you. Number 7. Ian Orera na stilan dito at nawala ang bola pero sa kanila pa rin ang bola. Team yellow pa rin. First pressure foul, second team foul. Okay lang ba lahat?
Lalay ka, dalalay. Kitang-kita pag may review.
Nagkabanggaan yung dalawang kalabaw. Grabe naman yun. First personal foul, third team foul, number 4. Sayang, Jets.
Kita ilalim.
Mga guys, hindi nakakalam may vlogger po tayo dito. Check nyo na lang sa FB page niya, Cap Luis. Pogi yung editor nun, promise. Lumibas! 2 points. Sabay kuha na pakwan. Yeah. Number 18, 2 points. Liagas with 2 points. Number 1. Prepare na po kayo, Kuya Jomar. Magkalaban, magkalaban. Bonus roll lang yan guys ha. Is good by number 16.
Kabla, kabla.
Galing shoot lang. Foul, number 6. Meron ka. Penalty na po. 6 second personal foul penalty. first row is good. Kuya Robert! Manuel Aso! Stepping on the line. Kitang-kita ni referee yan bago yung pito galing Japan.
Uy, gagal.
2 points. Number 30 is 2 points. Dali pang shoot, no? That is running time, pero yung shot clock naka-stop. Okay? Number 25, 2 points. Junjun, aka Bilim Alansaga. Nabi underneath the board, 2 points.
Ba, naglag? Oo, to.
Wala, is no good. Maui Juntong, 2 points. Substitution rep. Same ball.
Kayo isang ko.
Akin monoblock. May monobag. Number 19 goes to post. 2 points na naman. Juntong, lumipad. Ay, Juntong, sorry. Gonzales pala, tol. Muli na. Ito ng 3 bakal. Lamang na po pala yung dilaw with a 1-point lead. And that will be a 3-point lead by Team Yellow. Leas, 2 points. Laban na! Uy! Na-check ni Makarandan. Nakita niyo ba yun? Nakaw ni Makarandan. Makarandan. Kay number 19, number 19, pass to number 32. Leagas, Ison. And who's foul rep? Number 24. Number 24 pushing foul. That'll be third personal foul. Penalty na po tayo. Shoutout nga pala sa Arsin Motovlog. Kindly visit their page. Account niya pala yun. Official account niya pala yun. Arsin Motovlog. Free throw is good. Gonzales. May kasama pang foul. Number 30. Meron na. First personal foul. And that'll be first team foul. 2.9 seconds na lamang po. 2.9. Sablay. Outside. 1 seconds.